Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a YouTube shortcut to your laptop so you can open YouTube instantly, right from your desktop. It's super simple and only takes a minute. Before we start, if you find tutorials like this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me keep creating these quick guides for you. Alright, let's get started. To do this, you'll need Google Chrome. If you don't have Chrome installed yet, you can download it for free using any other browser like Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Once Chrome is ready, open it up and go to youtube.com. Now, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see three dots. Click on those to open the menu. From the menu, hover your mouse over the Save and Share or More Tools option, depending on your Chrome version, and then click on Create Shortcut. A small window will pop up asking if you want to create a shortcut to this page. You can rename it to anything you like, but I'll just call it YouTube. After that, click Create. Now, if you minimize your browser and go back to your desktop, you'll see a brand new YouTube shortcut icon sitting there. Double click it and it will instantly open YouTube in Google Chrome, just like an app. And that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube shortcut to your laptop. It's a simple trick, but it saves you time and keeps your favorite site just one click away. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.